Hi again, and welcome to another episode of the Spa City Law Show. I'm Scott Peterson, and today we're talking about estate planning and planning to protect your family into the future, protect your assets. But in particular today, we're going to talk about protecting the intangibles, right? So, if you come to us and you say, I have X number of dollars in the bank, I have life insurance policies, we own property, we can position you in a way that passes that along to your family members as you desire in the most efficient way. And we talk about that in other places, all over our website and in other videos. And we're happy to talk with you about putting that plan in place when you're ready, which incidentally should be now. But the other part of planning from our perspective really involves passing along the intangibles, the things that don't have a dollar value, but the things that are actually really important. And when I say that, I'm talking about your ideals, your principles, your beliefs, the things that you have accumulated over time that some people call wisdom, right? The things that you want to pass along to your children. Because passing along money is great. You can set up your children financially in a way that protects them without shackling them, frankly. That's a good thing. That's a good goal to aspire to. But you also want your kids to be good human beings. And especially the people we work with, there are things that they want to pass down to their kids, their children, in a way that their children understand them. And we can help make that happen. And this is one of the things that we think differentiates us from other firms because, you can have a will drafted anywhere. You can go online and you can do it for $500. I don't recommend doing that, but the reality is that, we consider the process of planning as sort of a holistic or larger picture event. And it's something that's also ongoing. And so as part of our estate plans, we offer the ability to take those intangibles, those nuggets of wisdom that you want to pass along to your children and record them, just like I'm recording this video. And we can do it audibly or on video, visually. But we prompt you with some questions, and you can create your own as well, that allow you to pass along some of your knowledge, stories, wisdom to your children and have that information ready and available if and when something happens to you. And, in an ideal world, you pass this information along to your children every day. And even without knowing that you're doing it, you are doing it. But the ability to really have this information in one place and for your children when you're gone to be able to look back and see or hear your voice, there's a value to that is almost indescribable. And so we think that this part of the planning process is one of the biggest benefits that we can provide you. And is it something you could do yourself? Sure. Is it something you will? Probably not. So, as with the other part of planning, now is better than later, and later is better than never. But, visit our website or give us a call and schedule a consultation, schedule an estate planning and family protection session. We'll help you get organized about your financial life, your affairs, your desires, and we'll help you put a plan in place that protects your family and passes along everything from tangible property to the intangibles, the things that you really want to pass along to your kids.